You're about to watch Lil Yachty pay a motherfucker to shave their eyebrows off. And I got something to say at the end, man. I got some real good shit to say.
I got some shampoo on it, so I won't cut it.
Okay, cool.
All right, 200.
Relax. All right.
Bro, yeah. 200.
Yeah,
Get that thing out there. Get it out
Keep
of there.
going.
Get it out of there.
Keep going.
Get it out of there.
Keep going.
It's still there.
I need it going.
It's still there.
Hold on.
I need it going.
Get it off you. Get it off.
Daddy, keep going.
Don't worry about it.
It's gone up, bro.
Keep going.
I still see it.
I need that shit going.
Erase it.
Get the other one. Get the other one. You might as well get the other one.
Okay.
You might as well get the other one.
All right, hold on. Let me get it ready.
Get some more shampoo, please.
All right, look, it's gone.
We got it, okay?
All right, let me get the other one.
Your eyebrows are gone, sweetie. Oh my god. It's a little too late for y'all telling him not to do
No, $200. I got it.
Go stab the other one.
Yeah, I got you $200 for here.
Retarded with just one eyebrow.
This nigga paying $200? That's the most dumbest shit. Bro, you gotta give me some money to shave off my eyebrow. $200 ain't shit. That's stupid, bro. I would never.
All right. Gonna go send him 200 for free.
I'll send you 200 for free.
Let's see that other eyebrow.
Hey, tell whoever it is, you better get his little money.
Yeah.
Get it out of here.
Oh my god. Oh. Your eyebrows are gone, babe.
Oh my god.
It's okay, they'll go back.
Yeah.
Yo, see my...
Hey, that's true. He said, that's okay, they'll grow back. That's true. I still need more than 200. I need at least 500. Man, my eyebrows is a very, pivotal moment in my face, So I would need at least 500. And if I got offered 500, I would have to think. Long and difficult. I didn't want to say hard, pause. Long and hard, pause. On whether I would want to do that shit, man. But I know I ain't doing it for no 200, man. I'm broke. Trust me. I'm broke. But I am not that broke.
People want to see you some money too, man. We got you.
I feel like you would do this.
For me? Yeah. I've been waiting on Bo to say something that's really
Get that eyebrow out of here.
Eyebrows is really
good. I matches 200 with 300. He matches 200 with 300.
You got 500 right now.
That's $500 for you right now.
Somebody just matched Lil Yachty 200 with 3. Like I just said, $500, I would think about it. I would consider it. Because they will grow back. But still, man, what? You going to be walking around looking crazy. But I guess since you're going to be in the house, it ain't going to matter because we all quarantining. So you ain't nobody going to see you besides whoever you live with. And the only person that live with me is my dog. I got a puppy. Not like my dog, like my homie, but my puppy. That's the only person that's going to see me. And he love me unconditionally. I could have no head. That nigga still going to love me.
We got $500 for you.
It's gone.
Wait, stand back from the camera. Let me see.
Pick the phone up.
That shit make that nigga forehead look like a 6 head. Damn.
Wipe it off.
Wash your face.
All right. Let me watch it.
That nigga look crazy.
Hey, pick up the camera, slide. Pick up the camera.
All right, hold on. Let me clean my face.
Yeah, watch his face real quick.
I want to know to see this.
Somebody needs to get a clipper and shave the middle of their head. Whoever needs
That nigga look crazy as hell, dog.
$500.
I got you though, Sal.
Yeah, he looks stupid for sure. My bad. As y'all probably already know, I woke up less than an hour ago. But what was I finna say? I wouldn't have did that shit for less than 500. And like I said, even with the 500, I would have had to really think about it. More than likely, I would have probably still said no, probably. But I need my live to pop like this. So if you crazy and willing to do some wild shit on my live, follow me. My Instagram name is, I think it's right here, or it's right here. NOBLEPAIGEPATRICK. Y'all go follow me if y'all willing to do some crazy, wild shit on my Instagram live. Not no naked shit, because I ain't trying to get banned like Boosie or Tory Lanez. But if you trying to do some lit shit, you could twerk and all that. I love women that twerk. But no nudity, because I ain't trying to get deleted. But if you trying to do some wild shit or just turn up on my live, man, don't be afraid to follow me on Instagram and DM me or comment on my post and tell me to go live and tag you and add you in and all that shit, man. We gonna turn up.